believe one of the most important trends is the convergence of optical transport and packet switching technologies. MRV just released a packet optical transport platform called OptiPacket. It combines optical transport, including ROADMs and OTN, along with Layer 2 and Layer 3 technologies into a single device. In a new heavy reading report on convergence, Sterling Perrin labeled this approach POTP 3.0. So OptiPacket can be optimized for packet switching or optimized for optical transport, and we find most networks will benefit by combining both technologies at the provider edge. Combining OTN, ROADMs, WDM, carrier Ethernet, and routing into a single device has many benefits. 1, it reduces network elements. 2, it reduces the number of physical ports and cross connects. 3, it also improves network reliability. And 4, it enables service management from a single platform, whether with our application called ProVision or in conjunction with an SDN controller. So I would say the convergence of packet and optical platforms is the issue to watch over the next 18 months because the trend offers many new ways to reduce OpEx and CapEx.